Welcome to my channel, that is IELTS 9, but coincidentally I have taken the reading passage from this book only. Okay, let's look at the reading, that is tidal power. The title of the passage is tidal power, so that is from test 3 and reading passage 2 only. Okay, let's go to the instructions. 20 minutes, question 14 to 26, which are based on reading passage 2. Okay, now this paragraph has been divided into smaller paragraphs and they have given the name on that A, B, C. From A to F they have given. Let's look at the type of questions here. We have okay, from 14 to 17, which paragraph contains the following information. Okay, you have to find the which paragraph contains the following information. Where is the information? Information is here from in 14 to 17 questions. So write the correct letter A to F in boxes 14 to 17 on your answer sheet. NB is important to read because you may use any letter more than once. Which letter? These alphabetic letters from A to F paragraphs we may rise. It may come any letter from this A to F. It may come like suppose first answer is A, second may be A, or last may be A. So here this instruction is saying this much of knowledge, this much of instructions to you, to students only. Okay, second type of question here is MCQs. Here we have from question 18 to 22 and they have given options like from A to J. We have to select only 5 of the following claims about tidal power are made by the writer only. Okay, let's look at the third type of question in this passage. Here for this passage it is 23 to 26. Label the diagram below. This type of question is label the diagram below. Choose no more than 2 words. You have to keep in mind. You have to keep in mind these instructions not exceeding 2 words, or you can use 1 word only. It is up to the fill in the blanks. Okay, here for this they have given the diagram. First question is here 23, second is 24 here, 25 is here, and 26 is here. Why I am underlining this? I am locating the questions from 23 to 26 because whenever I start this I should know from where I have to read it for this diagram. Okay, let's start it. Okay, here first type of question is contains the following paragraph. First is the location of the first test site. Location, we have to look for the location and first test site. These are the keywords. First read this option twice or thrice in order to understand the meaning of this option. Please try to understand, take out the meaning of this option. Okay, second is 15th is a way of bringing the power produced on one site back into Britain. Okay, 16th is a reference to a previous attempt by Britain to find an alternative source of energy. Okay, mention of the possibility of applying technology from another industry. Here it is reference and mention. Reference and mention is given. It may and in any paragraph we may find some explanation of these things from like alternative source of energy, as well as a mention of the in detail. Here it is given a reference to a mention of the possibility of applying technology from another industry. Okay, let's go to the paragraph for finding the answers. Okay, this is a paragraph. Okay, let's read it because we should read it. In fact, title said to become important, so it is still to. Okay, we should not ignore it, because in the fill in the blanks or in any option, like in next type of question we have MCQ, we can find any answer from these extra lines, but here we have to find the information from the paragraphs only. First is operating on the same principle as wind turbines. Okay, they are talking about operating on the same principle as wind turbines. Let's move my pencil faster than my speaking. Comes from the current turn blades into similar ships propellers, but unlike wind, the tides are predictable and power input is constant. Technology raises the prospect of Britain's self-sufficient renewable energy and drastically reducing its carbon dioxide emissions. If tide, wind and wave power are all wet, Britain would be able to close gas, coal power plants original to other parts of Europe. Unlike wind power, Britain original duet and abandoned for 20 years, touched with matter. It make it a major industry. Undersea turbines could become a big export. Earner to island nations such as Japan and New Zealand. Let's look at the option. The location of the first site. No, it is not mentioning like this in the A paragraph. A way of bringing the power produced on one site back into Britain. No, nothing was given like a way of bringing the power produced on one side back to. No. A reference to a previous attempt by Britain to find an alternative source of energy. Yes, it is like, yes, it is relating to that. Let's read the 17 also. Mention of the possibility of applying technology from another industry. Possibility of applying technology from another industry. But I am looking very close to 16th. Let's read it. Alternative source of energy, renewable energy, drastically reducing. If tide, wind and wave are all wet, Britain would be able to close. Yes, Britain now, if he had, here it is given, renewable energy and drastically reducing its carbon dioxide. If tide, wind and wave power are all developed, Britain would be able to close gas, coal, nuclear power plants and export renewable power to other parts to Europe. It means this is nearest, and so for 16th we will be writing the answer here A only. Let's go to the B. Here it is given, tidal sites have already been identified. This will produce 1/6 of the power and it prices modern gas turbines. One site alone could produce 10% of the country's banks of turbines undersea. The another channel 3 times. Now they are talking about the production of these sites. Let's read the option. No, first site is not given. A way of bringing, no. 16th we have done. Mention of the possibility of applying technology from another industry. No, nothing is relating to the B paragraph. Let's read C. Work on designs for the new turbine blades and sites are well advanced at the University of Energy Research Group. The first station is expected. To be installed now. Yes, first test site they are talking about. Yes, first station is expected to be installed at. Yes, we are very close to a option. Yes, work on design for the new turbine blades and sites are well advanced at the University of Southampton's Sustainable Energy Group. The first station, it means they are talking about first test site, is expected to be installed at Lynmouth in Devon shortly to test. Yes, first test site. Let's go to the first option. Yes, for this our option is C. Let's cut it from the list of options. Now we have left a way of bringing the power produced on one site back into Britain, as well as mention of the possibility of applying technology from another industry. Now they are talking in. Let's move on to the next page. The The next page is okay. C is already left. Let's read the C paragraph full. Is already known about turbine blade design because of the wind power, and okay, there are few technical difficulties, I believe, installing commercial marine okay, yes, to develop the turbines. A subsidiary of IIT has now identified potential sites for tidal power. 80% rounds the coast of Britain. The best sites are where there are strong tidal currents. Okay, now here they are talking about blade design. Okay, let's read it. D option. Okay, D option, here it is a marine turbine blade. Okay, here they are talking about blade design. Let's look at the mention of the possibility of applying technology from another industry. Let's read it again, C paragraph, because yes, like the option was mention of the possibility of applying technology from another industry. Yes, possibility, they are talking about future tense. So as I told you, they have in the C paragraph only, it is given, it is already known about turbine blade design because of wind and power ship propellers. There are few technical difficulties, but I believe in the next 5 to 10 years we will be installing commercial marine turbine farms. They are talking about some future possibilities. Has awarded this money and is working with marine current turbines, a subsidiary of IT Power, and this thing. So sites for tidal power. Okay, for this definitely answer is 17 for C again. As I told you, NB, wherever it is given, just make it confirm in your mind. You have to use any letter twice in these options. For C, now we have left with 15th only. Okay, a way of bringing the power produced on one side back into okay, butane. Let's read D. A marine turbine blade needs on 1/3 of the size of a wind generator to produce 3 times. The blades will not be okay. 30 meters of water. Unlike wind power, there are unlikely environmental objections. Okay. Creatures are okay. Which creatures? 5 fish and other creatures are thought relatively slow turning. Each turbine will be mounted on a underwater cables. Important. The towers will stick out of the water and be lit to warn shipping lifted out of the water for maintenance and to clean seaweed from blades. Okay, I think it is not related to bringing the power produced on one side back to butane. Okay, let's read the E option. Dr. Behaj has done most of the where there are powerful currents. The single undersea turbine far more than needed channel islands, and most would be fed into French grid and re-imported into Britain. Yes, what is this? Re-imported into Britain via the cable under the channel. Yes, here re-imported means bringing back. Re-imported here means a way of bringing the power produced on one site back into Britain. Yes, it is given. The single undersea turbine farm would produce far more power than needed for the Channel Islands, and most would be fed into this and re-imported into Britain via the cable under channels. So we have found the 15th answer is E. Yes. Next type of question here is MCQs. We have to select 5 options only. Let's read it. Before that, read the question. Which of the following claims about tidal power are made by the writer? First we have to find where it is we will be finding the tidal power. Okay, now let's look at now technical difficulty. In F paragraph it is given technical difficulty is cavitation, where low pressure behind a turning blades causes for air bubble. Okay, let's go to the starting of the passage. Okay, starting of the passage, as I told you to read, not to ignore this only. When tides, okay, it is still early to predict the extent of the image they may have, but all the signs play a significant role in future. Okay, let's read the question again. Which 5 which 5 of the following claims about tidal power are made by the writer? Claims significant role. Okay, operating on the same principle as wind turbines, the power in sea turbines comes from tidal currents. Now, okay, yes, tidal power. They are talking about tidal powers, which turn blades similar to ships' propellers, but unlike wind, the tides are predictable and the power input is constant. The technology raises the prospect of Britain becoming self-sufficient in renewable energy. Okay, drastically reducing its carbon. Okay, now I think we have found the location of that question, because here they are talking about tidal currents and the merits of these to Britain. Let's look at the options. It is more reliable source of energy than wind power. It would replace reliable source of energy than wind power. It is a comparison. It would replace all other forms of energy in Britain. Its introduction has come into as a result of public pressure. Okay, replace. It would cut down on air pollution. It would contribute to the closure of many existing power stations. Okay, it means it could be a means of increasing national income. Okay, face a lot of resistance from other fuel industries. It could be sold more cheaply than any other. It could be compensate for the shortage of inland sites for energy production. It is best produced in the vicinity of coastlines with particular features. Okay, now, okay, I think we have come across reliable source of energy than wind power. Yes, it was there. Let's, okay, replace all other forms of energy in Britain. Let's look at this. Okay, here it was given and power, yes, sea turbines, but unlike wind, the tides are predictable. It means they are more reliable and the power input is constant. The technology raises the prospect of Britain becoming self-sufficient. Okay, self-sufficient in renewable energy and drastically reducing its carbon dioxide. Yes, what is carbon dioxide? That is air pollution. Yes, let's find it. Yes, air pollution, it is there. Yes, if tidal, wind and wave power are all developed, Britain would be able to close, yes, he is saying close coal, gas and renewable to other parts of, yes. It would replace all other forms, but here it is all is something mystical, so it is not the option. Would be able to close, okay, unlike wind power, which Britain originally developed and abandoned for this to make a major industry. Okay, yes, could become a big export earner. It means national income. It could be a means of national income. Yes, this is also an option. Okay, it could contribute to the closure of many existing power stations in Britain. Yes, it is given. Okay, but here this is not the correct thing. They have written this is not matching, otherwise it would be the option. Okay, now 5 we have to 1 2 3 4. Now we have to select only last one. We have done 4 ones. Now we have left with 4 options. Sorry, 1 we have to select now. It could be means, okay, resistance of from other fuel industries. No, it could be sold more cheaply. Nothing is given about this. Compensate for the shortage of inland sites for energy production. Let's look at this. Originally developed, the abandoned for 20 years just to make it a major industry, and the sites have been produced 1/6 or one site. Okay, let's read. It could compensate for the shortage of inland. No, nothing is given, like compensation is not there. It is best produced in the vicinity of coastlines with particular features. Okay, where they have given it particular coastline. Where is for just to make an industry, turbines, island nations, coast. Yes, island nations with particular features. Okay, gas turbines, nuclear one site, Scotland could produce 10% of with banks of turbines under sea. Channel Islands 3 times. Okay. Now it is from here we can come to know, and after reading this it is best produced in the vicinity of coastlines with particular features. It is best produced. Here it is given to island nations, as well as here it is given, yes, wind turbines. The power in sea turbines operating on the comes from tidal currents with turn, unlike tides are predictable. Okay, I'm trying to find the last option, that is I'm thinking J, but okay, self-sufficient in, okay, renewable developed. Okay, the sites have already been identified that will produce. Okay, what they are talking about, sites, comparative one size means Scotland could produce, okay, with the banks of turbine under the sea and another at Channels Island 3 times. So here they have given clearly it is best produced in the vicinity of coastlines with particular features. So this is also the option. Let's go to the next type of question. Here it is, we have to choose, this is label the diagram, we have to choose no more than 2 words. Okay, just let's read the diagram, what it is saying. These are wheels and fans, and fish also is showing. Yes, I have read this word fish or sea water and sea water. Okay, let's read it. Whole tower can be raised for, so before and after the blank is important, and the extraction of seaweed from the blades. Yes, it was in seaweed is here in the D paragraph. And what the towers will stick out of the water and be lit to warn shipping, and also be designed to be lifted out of the water for, yes, for is there and is there, so answer is maintenance. For is there and is there, so our answer is maintenance. Okay, how easily we can find this, fill in the blanks after looking at before and after the blank. Okay, next is sea life not in danger. Okay, sea life means fish, due to the fact that blades are comparatively dash. Let's look at the, here I have, yes, as I told you, there is a word fish in any paragraph. Yes, fish and other creatures are thought unlikely to be at risk from relatively slow turning blades. Let's look at the question again. Sea life not in danger due to the fact that blades are relatively is the synonym for comparatively, that is relatively is comparatively. So here the word is slow, we can write slow turning blades, because blades are already given here, so we can write only slow. Let's look at the 25th. Air bubble result from, okay, behind blades. This is known as air bubble. Now let's look at the word air bubble is there. We have to look the air bubble only. No, there is nothing difficult. Yes, air bubble is here. Yes. Let's read the air bubbles result from the dash behind blades. What? Air bubbles. Let's read it from here. One technical difficulty is cavitation where low pressure behind a turning blade causes air bubbles. What causes? Result from the behind blades before low pressure. Here of course we can't apply everywhere the same formula, but behind is there, behind word is there in the lines, low pressure behind. Yes, after the blank it was given, so we can write here low pressure. And the last one is this is known as for as or known as. If we find we can find the word like called, refer, or these kinds, or maybe some, but here nothing is given, like, because I have already let's look at the word refer to and differ. Nothing is given like this word. So one technical difficulty is cavitation. This is something different word and they are relation to this line only. So definition is, this is known as cavitation. Due to this cavitation, air bubbles result from low pressure behind blades. So we have completed this reading. Thank you so much. This reading is tidal power. Thank you.